Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Geshelli Labs. This is a new DAC from them. This is the JNOG. Unfortunately, they're no longer making the ERISH, unfortunately. So Christmas is coming around the corner sooner or later. I decided to buy this as a gift for myself. Especially I'm doing great in college. Why not treat myself? So I did. So let's open up this bad boy right here. Ooh, okay. Comes with a USB cable. Kind of shocked me at first because I thought they're never gonna go with a USB cable, but then they have their reasons. Ooh, nice Geshelli sticker. Power brick to power up the amp. Ooh, red. Ooh. Ooh. Hold up. Sorry about that. So let me put this to the side. Ah, yes. Danger, yes. Okay, keep it with this. Wait, this from children. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I love this red. So you got the USB right here. You got coaxial, SP-diff, your XLRs, RCAs, your power connector at the front. You got another coaxial, SP-diff, your power button, and your LED changer as well. And this is your input as well. Oh, this is exciting. Put this to the side. Ooh, this thing is bigger compared to the ERISH. Look at this. Let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. So, hold on, let me move this. So I've been using this DAC for a while, man. It really did the job, man. I was really impressed how clear it is. I play video games. I also do listen to music as well, and also try to mount movies. I'm going to miss this DAC, but this DAC really did its job. I was really happy, but sadly they're going to discontinue this. So they're no longer going to sell this DAC anymore. Pretty much the JNOG is going to be their go-to DAC. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. Any questions you already know what to do, you can answer those questions down in the comment section, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, I am signing off. Take care, guys. Be safe. Goodbye.